All right, last one. Here's a fun one for you, Will. The fast food favorites from the year you were born. And, you know, what's funny is I got a kick out of this list. Not necessarily from the year I was born. I do like the item from the year I was born.
Okay.
But I just like all the stuff in the 90s because I remember some of it.
Yeah.
And some of it actually just blows your mind because you can't even, you're like, that thing existed? So anyway, what year were you born, by the way?
86.
Okay, so I'm 85.
Okay.
I think I got you beat on the item that came out the year I was born.
Okay.
So 85, listen to this. 85 was the Dairy Queen Blizzard. Came out in 1985, which is a classic to this day. That, of course, is soft serve ice cream. Your choice of toppings.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you upset that I'm explaining like everyone should know this?
I don't even like desserts anyway.
Oh, you don't like desserts. Okay. So you feel like you got me beat. Anyway, let me just explain the Blizzard. They've reportedly sold more than 100 million Blizzards within the year. Wow.
Oh, okay.
So people are into it, whether you're not. You can put Oreos in it. They put all kinds of different things in it. But apparently Will is too stuck up for dessert, which is kind of upsetting. 1986 was the Taco Bell seafood salad.
Sounds delicious.
Can you even imagine it? They did that? A seafood salad at Taco Bell. Man, that sounds so risky. It was consisting of shrimp, whitefish, snow crab, black olives, and salad leaves. Imagine that from Taco Bell. Wow, mind-boggling stuff. Give you a couple of others here. 88 was the pan pizza at Little Caesars. 89 was when McDonald's tried pizza.
Oh.
McDonald's tried to sell that. You remember that McDonald's pizza?
Mm-hmm.
You had the McDonald's Mighty Wings in 90. You had the McLean Deluxe hamburger in 91. You don't even remember that.
No.
Domino's breadsticks came in 92. 93, how about the McLobster?
Oh, yeah. I tried that.
No, you didn't.
I did, yeah.
In 93?
Not in 93, no.
They brought it back at one point.
Yeah. Like a couple of years ago.
I was going to say, that would be, you said 86? 7-year-old Willie Doo with the McLobster having a time?
Oh, great time.
Imagine that guy. We had, what do we have? Stuffed crust pizza from Pizza Hut came in 95. Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich came in 96. Let me look. The original recipe KFC sandwich was 99. Starbucks Frappuccino came in 2000. So it's a little trip down memory lane. You know, I don't mind a little fast food update. You know, I don't eat that stuff all the time, Will, but it always brings back those memories, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.